has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Spalding County in west central Georgia, southeastern Henry County in north central Georgia, western Butts County in central Georgia, until 12:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:53 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Chapel Mill, or 8
Oh my God!
Griffin, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught inside. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Jackson, Locust Grove, Jenkinsburg, McEwen, Fincherville, and Worthville. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.
Oh my God. PDS tornado, particularly dangerous situation. I finally caught it.